Hey guys, I have two MVMT or Movement, I guess is the name, products here to share with you guys. And I've got a watch and a pair of sunglasses of theirs. And I've seen a lot of people going crazy about these products on social media. So I was really excited to get to receive these as a sample just to try out and share with you guys. And I will link to them down in the info box if you do want to check them out. I am really impressed already just with the boxes that they come in. If you wanted to get a pair of these sunglasses or a pair or one of the watches as a gift, it comes in really impressive packaging. I've never seen packaging like this really on, especially not on sunglasses. I haven't seen something this nice. This is like buying a designer pair of sunglasses. This is very high end. And so this is how it looks when you open up the sunglass box. It's really beautiful, sturdy boxes here. And then this is the actual sunglass box itself, and it just opens. It has a little magnet. It just opens like that. Then here are the sunglasses. And this one is called Public Figure, and it's in black. I think they actually have this one in a couple of different colors. So this one is in black, and it feels really nice, like really smooth. You can tell that these are really well made and not going to just like fall apart in your purse or get bent up. They feel really good. And I really love the sort of cat eye thing that it has going on. It's sort of like celebrity sunglasses. Okay, and this one is the watch, which is also in a really beautiful box. It has this black sleeve on it, but then it's a white box. Oh, this is really pretty. It comes with a little instruction pamphlet here. Oh, and inside on this side, it's like very soft and velvety inside the box, and then it comes with this tiny little screwdriver for adjusting the watch. And then more information here with your instruction pamphlet. And here's the watch itself. It's really beautifully packaged in here. And this watch is the RG1, and it's a beautiful rose gold. And it's still wrapped in plastic. Oh, I think I have to pull this little piece off and push the little stopper in, and then it will actually move. And you know, I'm assuming I'm gonna have to adjust this because I actually have very small wrists, but as you can see, there's a lot of little spots here that you can adjust this piece to, and you can also, I'm assuming, use the little tiny screwdriver to make those adjustments. And here is how the watch looks on. It's really pretty. I really love that rose gold and how simple the watch face is. So I'm going to try this out, both of these products out. I'll probably post them again on Instagram just to share with you guys how they're looking and how things are going with them and what I think after I've been using them for a little while. If you guys have purchased any of these products and you have any thoughts, I would love to hear. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will put their information down the info box along with any discount codes or anything like that that I find. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.